So I just share a little bit. I actually almost closed my business. Well, I did close my business in 2019. 2017, I started with rentals, and I had a lot of fun and met a lot of people around the world in the little town that I was at. But I got really frustrated with that, and I closed my business. When COVID hit, I was like, I'm out. I was pretty much done after that. And then I had somebody that said, don't close, come to this place, which was my high street, the last location, said, just come and figure it out. Not gonna charge you rent. And that's where my YouTube started, because I already had all the knowledge of fixing the bikes and the rentals and the maintenance and all of that. I had already learned. And so I started YouTubing because I thought, well, if people can't come in, everybody still wants an e-bike. Now I'll just show them everything. And then that's how we've exploded. I mean, there's no other words for it. But because I closed my business, I got a second chance using YouTube, and now we are across the world, across Canada, the States, Barbados. And so I'm very humbled by how that's going. We just had somebody drive from North Bay. That's like a 5-hour drive. So it's pretty awesome. But yeah, I did actually close this business, and I'm glad that somebody stepped in and saved me. Maybe I would have restarted, but yeah, that's just, if you're wondering.